Hi everyone, Radhe Radhe. So I have a cold and there's a wall around my head. So I just wanted to let you know that I might not be my best today for these. Okay, so in this video we're going to be doing chapter 18, verse 40. Let me go back there. Yes, verse 40. And this is a very simple verse, very short verse. So let's call out to Bhagwan Shri Krishna and let's go through it. ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. Dear Bhagwan Shri Krishna, please help us. I don't know, surrender to you. No matter what happens around us, no matter what is going on, please help us trust you. It's a verse in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Leela 22:100. Rakshashyatiti Vishwaso is the third line. Please help us do that. Please help us understand. We have this Vishwas that your Raksha, you have your Raksha is with us, like you're protecting us. Please help us have complete, absolute faith and surrender. Um, this verse basically, the last line is these are the 6 limbs of Sharanagati, and which is surrender, and this is the third one. So please help us have that, and please help us use this verse to bring us closer to that. Okay, so let's sing the verse together. न तदस्ति पृथिव्यां वा दिवि देवेषु वा पुनः सत्त्वं प्रकृतिजैर्मुक्तं येधिभिः स्यात्रिभिर्गुणैः. There is no being existing either here or among demigods which is freed from these 3 modes of material nature. So these 3 modes of material nature apparently has 3 colors: white, satoguna, red, passion, and black, ignorance. And even the Brahma Loka is, I didn't know that, but it makes sense, is there in the 3 modes. So this is the, not this, this is an ISKCON approved explanation of the locus. So earth, so there are discs basically, and there is a Bhurlok, which is 7, which is where our earth is. That Bhurlok does not mean that this whole disc is not earth. We are one tiny, tiny, tiny thing on that disc. Sorry. So with one, like, so that these discs have all of these. There are 8 planetary systems: Bhurlok, Atal. I'm not even able to read that. Sutal, whatever, Mahatal, Rasatal, Patal. Those are 8 discs, and we are on the 7th disc, and the rest of them, Swarglok is here, Bhurlok is here, like there, and then there's these things up there, Satyalok, Tapalok. So Brahma is up there in the Satyalok, he's at the top, and this whole thing, you see this it's in a disc, in a circle, basically in a sphere, and this sphere has many of these things which are the, I think 14 elements, 21 elements, something that are required to create the universe, and those elements are there in that. And then the earth, the worlds are created by Brahma when each universe is created. So each universe has a Brahma, and this is our universe. So and how this maps to the um, thing that we know from science, I have no idea. The person that I learned this from also said he has no idea. So But apparently all the nakshatra, the calculations that they do, they come out right? Uh, so I don't know. I'm not even gonna go into all of that. But yes, so these are all of the lokas. So all of this is in the material universe. Like all of this is so all of these lokas from Patal to Satyalok, all these 14 lokas, all these 14 planetary systems, they are all bound by the three modes of material energy, which is Satoguna, Rajoguna, and Tamoguna. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this verse. We'll see you in the next video. Wish you a day filled with lots of uh, Bhagwan Shri Krishna's mercy in whatever way is pleasing to him and is good for you in the long run, not in a way that feels pleasing to you right now necessarily. I mean, that too maybe, but like the most important thing, he had spoken about that happiness, right? In the previous few verses, that if you are happy right now but sad in the long term, that's not good for you. That's not in mode of goodness, that's mode of passion. So wish you something that's in the mode of goodness, and wish you lots of Krishna Prem. Radhe Radhe.